Hello, today I'm going to be making a wine glass holder. So this is a thing which you can just push into some soil to hold a wine glass. So I've got one of these, or two of these on commission. Somebody wants me to make a few for Christmas presents, so I thought I might as well make a video on making one. I'm going to start by putting an isolation, just using some 12mm bars, nice and easy. I could make a spring fuller, but never get time, or at least I'm lazy, so I use these. We've got the stem all drawn out, so this is going to be what's holding the glass up. So we then have all of this material on the end, which I'm going to separate and then roll up into a loop with a couple of scrolls on for decorative aestheticness. So obviously we've got to cut this in half, but to do that I'm going to use the angle grinder, as I hate doing any cutting hot, as it just leaves a really nasty edge when you can just cut it with an angle grinder and it's just lovely and perfect. So I'm going to do that just to save time, so we don't have to clean it up if we were to do it hot. So if we bend these out, separate them a bit more, we can now draw this material out a bit, so we get a bit more of an elegant arm on the piece. So we've got this end all drawn out into a nice taper. I'll do the same to the other side, but I'll do it off camera as it's just exactly the same thing as you just saw. We've got the other side drawn out. It's time to roll these into a loop. We're going to put some little roll-up scrolls on the end just as decoration, and then we're going to bend this to 90 so the loop then sits here, so we can put the wine glass and hold it on there. just put a bit more of a radius in the end here, so it looks a bit nicer when we bend it up. Begin to wrap these up into a loop. Do the same to the other side. We'll bend this to 90 degrees so the loop is sitting perpendicular to the stem. There we are, it's all finished up, so you can see that it'll just push into some dirt or soil, whatever, and then your wine glass, the stem of the wine glass goes on and then it sits on the ring. So you've got to make sure as well that this comes out far enough so that the base isn't going to hit the bottom here, or at least that's the idea. And those little roll-up scrolls just add a little decoration to it, and you can see as well here, this is the key part of the piece, as you can get cold shuts forming in there, which then these might break off, they can form cracks, and the inside there as well needs to be nice and rounded out, which we did by upsetting on the horn of the anvil. A little bit of a spike on the bottom so it'll go in the dirt a bit easier. Anyway, that's about it really. Thank you for watching the video, I hope you enjoyed it. I enjoyed making this little wine glass holder, I think it turned out pretty good. Anyway, I'll see you on the next video.